Hi. So today this is part 2. So today we're gonna be doing the feastables.
And of course, this guy was right, and the ones we tried last time weren't new.
And these are the real new ones.
Yeah, we only have one.
We should scan this. How did I find?
No, we're not scanning it.
Why
do we want to scan it? Why do we want to?
Just scan it.
Why are we scanning these? Why are we scanning these? Why in the world are we scanning these?
Because we gotta.
No, guys. Why in the world are we scanning these? We should not be scanning these.
Okay, so this is what. Wait, it might not.
So can we open them now?
Wait, not yet. Woo. We're gonna chat with them. But
No, you're not allowed.
We're like gonna. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna open it. Okay, yeah, that's tissue good.
Okay, and this is the feastables bar we have all been waiting for. And we are going to crack it in half because we only have one.
This side.
I don't think there's anything on these sides this time.
It says Mr. Beast and Feastables. I'm gonna crack it, right?
It does?
It's karate time!
I don't think I cracked it.
Yeah, I think I should try it like that.
Okay,
Ow, that actually hurt, girl.
Okay, so let's see.
So good. It's
Very
actually pretty good.
It's been in the fridge, so the flavor's a bit less. A bit
Yeah.
lower.
No offense.
Why I would say.
Very yummy.
Good. Harvey!
We can cut that out.
Yeah. Actually, so good.
That is delicious.
Actually, so good. Just like milk chocolate. I love milk chocolate.
Way better than the last one.
Way better. Let's now rate you first.
Normally I'd probably say something like 10 out of 10. But this has been in the fridge, so probably like 8.7 out of 10. What's your rating?
9.9. No, 9.7. Not just because I like Mr. Beast. Because the design adds up, and the taste adds up, and the overall adds up. It's actually so good. That's all yours. Should we get one more? Okay.
So,
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
what? We're not done. We gotta rate this against the other one. This is much better than the other one.
Yeah.
And it's one of the best chocolates I've ever had. Some chocolates are better, but
And this thing looks so good. The package looks so new. Okay. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And peace out.
Show.